เดว่าเนเชอรัลของไทยระดับโลก
Good afternoon, and DTEC has been 27 years in this industry. Today I will introduce in Computex a new product around release here, and a multimeter product coming for video capture and audio capture, continually in developing, and we keep on working with professional graphics with workstation. I work with our partner Diva in Thailand very well. I think the market is keep growing, and we keep enhancing the quality and performance in this area. Other than workstation graphic, we present a new product for the workstation. These two workstation is our new product. We have very good design in the quiet and less noise and higher performance. The cost performance is the best. So for the CAD, CAM, and CAE, this will be the best choice. Diva is our very good partner. They will promote it in Thailand. And the virtual device in infrastructure, we are also #1 in the world. I think this in the data security area, this will be help the company work with a very good data security solution. I think this area is all very unique. And in Thailand, we have very good partner, Diva, can have all the support to the customer there. Other than the computer product, we also have a communication. For the IP communication, you have a get voice call with the video in worldwide through our SIP-phone software application. Not only with the desk phone, you can talk with a mobile. Very good. This is the telecare and medical care for the human. And this very small one is the ECG page to track the patient after he left the hospital. And this one is a tracking device for any runner or old people or children. They can keep tracking where it is, and they can have an emergency call for any others. And this is the auto numbers analysis machine. And this only used in the hospital. And we have been 10 years experience in this field and leading in the world. I think this one in Thailand maybe get for the help the health of the people, it will be very good. And this one is our location-based service. We partner with Google together, and we present not only outdoor solution, but also indoor solution to the world. We are very leading in this segment. I believe this in Thailand, Diva can be our very good partner to introduce into Thailand and support the Thailand market.